2021 Origins Football Personal Box Break from the filler for William. Congrats, William. You got this for about half off. I think you had 4 spots. So, and you got 3. You got less than half off because you got the box and 3 teams in gold label. So pretty nice for you there. Congrats. Good luck, Braden. Good luck. Another 21 football box break for you. Origins. I have 1 box maybe of 2020 Origins left. I'm out of 21 for the time being. All right, couple of base cards here. We got Allen Robinson and a rookie, Rashad Bateman. I think he's still hurt. I wonder when he comes back. Rookie Rashad Bateman for the Baltimore Ravens. Rookie 2-color patch, number to 199 for the New York Jets, Elijah Moore. Receiver for the Jets, number to 199, Elijah Moore on the 2-color jersey. RPA is for the Vikings, Emir Smith-Marset. I don't know much about this guy. Emir Smith-Marset for the Vikings, rookie auto jersey. This guy's pretty good. Another RPA here. This time it's the Broncos, rookie running back, RPA Javonte Williams. Javonte Williams on the RPA for the Broncos. We got Dak Prescott is number to 175 on the Dak Prescott out of 175, and the Gronk number to 299 for the Bucks out of 299. Nothing too exciting. Nice Javonte Williams. No quarterback, big names, unfortunately. Thanks, guys.